Okie dokie. Ava, we hope your shoulder's doing better, and that's why you're not here. Hopefully you're not sick. Number 1 is an equation. You need to know how to solve equations. I'm going to start putting review things on tests and quizzes. Everybody with me? Okay. Balance point, starting on this side. I'm distributing a negative. A negative what? Yeah, I would physically put a -1 right there. That way I know that I'm distributing a -1 to the 4x, which is -4x, -1 to the -8, which is +8, plus 12 drops down. So that gives me -4x plus 20. Does that make it seem so much easier when I just do it on a half? Make sure you do that. Over here, 2 distributing. 3 to the 5x is 15x. 3 to the -7 is -21. -2 to the 4x is -8x. -2 to the +8 is -16. Combine like terms. I'm going to box these. 15 minus 8 is 7x. Circle, circle. -21 minus 16 is -37. Anybody lost so far? Okay, combine our variables. I'm going to add 4x because I like positive variables. That gives me 20 equals 11x minus 37. Add 37. That gives me 11x equals 57. Divide by 11. X then equals, I cannot simplify that, but use your calculator. Do 57 divided by 11. Math, enter, enter, just to make sure. But it should give me 57 elevenths. Questions on that? Did I miss anything? Did you all miss anything that you need help with? Okay. ACT type of question. You need to know how to do these. So, we're solving for y in order to graph. I subtract 3x from both sides. So now I have -1/2 y equals -3x plus 1. We're so used to dividing by what's with the y. Can I divide a fraction? No. In order to do that, I have to multiply by the reciprocal. But because it's all of that I have to multiply, I'm multiplying the whole thing by -2. And then I have to distribute. That becomes 1y. Negative times a negative is positive 6x minus 2. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. -2. Up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Can I just put a point there? No, because my slope is 6 divided by what? Over 1. I completely missed that point, but you get the idea. Questions? Go ahead and get out your homework, please. It was page something, 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 1 through 27 odd.
148 to 149.
148, 149, 1 through 27, the odds. Okie dokie. I'll give everybody a chance to get that out. And then I promise that today is super easy. Today is super easy. Guess what? Today is really easy. Like, you know how easy? Like over easy eggs. I don't know, that's just what I went with. Nobody liked my joke. Hey, do you know why all math students wear glasses? For division. Oh, come on, that's a good one. Okay, Ava, let me explain it to you. So, math students wearing glasses for division. Like, I hate you guys so much. My gosh. Ava, I hope you're laughing so much and not just shaking your head. Number 1, the number of rows is 3. Number 3, the matrix is a 3 by 4. So for number 5, it should be A, and then the subscript, that means the numbers underneath is 1, 3. So you should have an, it should look, subscript means this. So I have A, 1, 3. Okay? You'll see questions like this on your quiz. Number 7, the value of A32 is 9. Questions on 1 through 7. Who got those all right?
I made it 5, but that was it. Just 5.
Okay. Number 9 is a 2 by 2. 11 is a 3 by 1. 13 is a 2 by 3. How are we doing those?
Good.
How'd you do?
I missed 13.
For some reason, you did 12.
Yep.
Don't know why.
That wasn't me.
Okay. Number 15 is 7. Number 7 is 3. Number 19 is B subscript 3, 4. So instead of A13, it should be B3, 4. Questions so far? 21. Create a 3 by 4 matrix representing the data. So, this is 31, correct? What is it? 21. You can have 1, 2, 4, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 1, or 2, 1, 2. It can be like that, or you can flip it. And then have this be a row, this be a row, this be a row, or columns, right? Questions on that?
Can you teach us how to, like, how you got that? How you put it in that order?
Okay, so take a look at your book. So I have all of my blues going this way. So the blue has number 1, then number 2, then 1 again, and then 2 again. Do you see how that's?
Yeah.
And then I have the red, and then I have the green.
Okay.
What did you do? No. Hmm?
Quite the opposite.
No,
Quite
you-
the opposite.
What do you mean?
I just typed
So
it
you
out.
could have also done it like this. I could have 1, 2, 1, 2, 2, 3, 2, 1, 4, 4, 1, 2. Both of those would be fine. Okay, both of those would be fine. But except, that's not true, that's not true. It said create a 3 by 4. That's why it had to be this way. If it just said create a matrix of that data, either would work. 23, the columns represent the students. 25, create a 4 by 3. Ah, now it's here. 27, what do the columns now represent? Those are the years. Does that make sense? Everybody with me? Okay. So, remember, I need your guys' help. This is the first time that I've taught matrices. Really, I mean, in Kansas, we didn't talk about matrices. I haven't done Algebra 2. I've taught Algebra 2, man, 6 years ago, and this is year 18, 17 years ago, and neither time did we teach matrices. So, if you're like, Mr. H, there's something in the book that you're not saying, can you explain it? Absolutely. Listen, y'all, I'm not perfect. There's only one person that's perfect. And, you know, I look forward to that day of him coming back. Right? So, with that being said, help me out. Let me know what's not making sense. Okay, are we ready for this? We are doing matrix addition and subtraction. I'm just going to start it off hard. Okay, we're just going to start hard. Fair enough? Okay, here's our first example. I'm not going to help you. You guys are going to teach yourself. Okay, you guys are going to teach yourself. You ready? Okay. Go. Wait, what is it?
15.
Oh, 18 minus 3 is 15? Whew. Okay, that was a tough one. Let's try again. Here we go. Oh. Okay, use your calculator if you need it. I know. Use your calculator if you need it. This is hard. What'd you get, William?
I haven't done
Okay, use your calculator.
I was just trying to think about it instead.
Negative 4. 3 plus a negative 7. Use your calculator. Is a negative 4. Okay. Oh, okay. Here we go. Oh my gosh. Oh. Negative 7 minus a negative 21. Oh man. Oh man. I know. We're doing math, y'all. What do we come up with?
14.
Oh, because a negative and a negative is positive, so that's 14. Oh, okay. You're now done with matrix addition and subtraction. Really, you really are. Can you do addition and subtraction? Okay. So, first, to add / subtract, the matrices must be the same dimensions. That's really the only rule. That means that I can have a 3 by 3 and a 3 by 3, and I can add those. But I can't add a 2 by 2 with a 5 by 3. And I know this is going to be hard for you. I do, I know. So just bear with me. Okay, this is matrix addition. I know. Just trust me here. We get some different colors here. Green, brown, red. Oh, I don't have another color. Okay. So I'm going to ask you an honest question. Which numbers do you think you're going to add together? Like really, which numbers do you think you're going to add together? We have a 2 by 2 and a 2 by 2. What's in the top left?
2.
And what else?
8. Yeah, that's yours.
2 plus 8 is 10. Okay. Then we go to the 7. And? 7 plus a negative 4. Use your calculator, have to. 7 plus a negative 4. Where am I getting the plus? Right there.
3.
Positive 3. Okay. Come on, red. 4 and? What?
Oh, wait, no.
Plus
4 plus 1, which is 5. And last but not least, 8 plus 3. So remember when I said this was going to be really easy? You're just adding the things that are in the same place. Well, what if it's subtraction, Mr. H? Okay, do this on your own. Follow the same rules. If it's in the same place, that's what you're adding or subtracting. Now, if you do this and somehow you end up with not a 3 by 2, you done screwed up. Okay? So if you add and subtract and somehow you don't end up with a 3 by 2, you did it wrong. Just like if I have a 2 by 2 plus a 2 by 2 and you don't get a 2 by 2, you done screwed up. You done, William?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Patrick, you done? Lydia, you good?
No.
Okay. Patrick, what's my first number in the top left?
1.
1 minus 2. Plug it in your calculator, Patrick.
-1.
-1. The number underneath it. So this is going to be 2 comma or 2 1. What is it?
2.
What's 2 1? So 2 1 is this point.
-4.
-4. Lydia, 3 1. 2. Patrick, 1 2. 10. Because 11 minus 1. William,
0.
2 2 0. Lydia, 3 2.
3.
What questions do you have? You have homework. And yes, it is all of them.
I
So,
thought it was in the book.
hmm?
I thought it was in the book.
Nope. Write undefined for expressions that are undefined, which means you cannot do them. So if it's not the same things and you cannot do them, you write undefined. Good luck. I don't even know why it's there because it's not, none of these are undefined. Just so you know.
You're tricky.
You're adding and subtracting. That's all you're doing. Are there questions? Love you.